PHP filters. Predefined filter constants. Filter sanitized string. Removes tags or special characters from string. Filter flag allows scientific. Allows an E for scientific notation. Filter validate email. Validates value as valid email address. Filter sanitize special chars. Removes special characters. Filter flag allow hex. Only for input starting with 0x. Input env variables. Filter default, do nothing. Input cookie variables. Input post variables. Input get variables. Filter flag encode low. Encode characters with ASCII value lower than 32. Filter flag empty string null, not in use. Filter sanitize number int. Removes all characters except digits and plus and minus signs. Filter flag no encode quotes. Do not encode single quotes and double quotes. Filter flag strip high. Strip characters with ASCII value greater than 127. Filter flag query required. URL must contain query string. Filter flag encode high. Encode characters with ASCII value greater than 127. Filter flag strip low. Strip characters with ASCII value lower than 32. Input server variables. Filter flag allow 1000. Allow comma as 1000 separator. Filter flag no res range. Fails validation for reserve IPv4 ranges. Filter flag email Unicode. Allow local email address to contain Unicode. Filter flag no priv range. Fails validation for private IPv4 ranges. Filter flag IPv6. Allows IP address be in IPv6 format. Filter flag IPv4. Allows IP address to be in IPv4 format. Filter requires scalar. Value must be a scalar. Filter require array. Value must be an array. Filter null on failure. Return null for unrecognized boolean. Filter validate MAC. Validates value as MAC address. Filter validate float. Validates value as float. Filter force array. Treats scalar value as array. Filter validate IP. Validates value as IP address. Filter validate int. Validates value as integer. Filter sanitize encoded. Removes or encodes special characters. Filter sanitize magic quotes. Applied add slashes. Filter validate Boolean. Validates a Boolean. Filter validate URL. Validates value as URL. Filter validate regexp. Validates value against regular expression. Filter flag allow octal, only for input starting with 0. Filter sanitize URL, removes all illegal character from URL. Filter callback, call user-defined function to filter data. Filter flag allow fraction, allow period as fractional separator. Filter flag none, allows no flags. Filter sanitize number float, remove all characters except digits, plus or minus signs. Filter sanitize email, removes all illegal characters from email address. Filter flag path required, URL must contain a path part. Filter flag encode amp, encode and sign. Filter functions. Filter list, returns a list of supported filter names. Filter has var, checks whether variable of specified input type exist. Filter var, filters variable with specified filter. Filter input, gets external variable and filters it. Filter input array, get external variables and filters them. Filter ID, returns filter ID of specified filter name. Filter var array, gets multiple variables and filters them. Please subscribe for more videos.